Hello everyone, let's have a look at what's going on in gold on daily time frame, 4 hour. In fact, daily now, what's going on? So we're looking at hello everyone, let's have a look at what's going on in gold on daily time frame. Yeah, and yeah, so looking at the daily time frame now, the gold is making the all-time high. We potentially form the new lows here. So this is most likely we take an all-time high out now. We make the high now. Obviously, this is a much needed push up in this market now. So now we can clearly see if this market managed to close bullish this candle, then we can clearly see, okay, the new support form in this market now, the next candle close, we already break out this level, and now this is the continuing going to happen now. So we're going to keep pushing up towards it. 4650, 46, 80, 4700. So this is the eventually the looking at the daily time frame. But again, this is the daily gonna just starting now, like only less than 10 hours something now. Got plenty of time to go, so can't really predict on the daily what the daily gonna be ended. So can't do anything. Looking in the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame is like again the clean traffic, we could say see it now. So the 4 hour time frame say we've taken this level out now on a base of the 4 hour. So the 4 hour took they took this level out. Now the 4 hour try to go further up now. So now the 4 hour is bullish now. So you see the 4 hour close above here now. So this is basically 10 o'clock, like the last night candle close. These are the two candles now. So now once the candle close above here, so we know this is a high chances we're gonna keep pushing up from here to all the way to down this point now. So wick fill coming on. Once we close above here, and that's our literally target to wick fill now. But again, the 4 hours still showing the bullish sign now. Jump on 30-minute time frame, and then we try to figure it out where we can look for the potential entry point today. So now this is the support form around here. Obviously, the resistance is being taken out, so everything showing the sun for the buy at the moment now. So we have to stick with the buy. So we are around here. So we made these high. Then afterwards, we have these minor lows, which the market breakthrough. So we were potentially looking for a here now. Let the market come around here. I find the support before. I'm gonna look for the buy. If I was trading that time with don't really trade Asian session, I would be looking something this candle to be formed on M15, and then the second of the M15, I'm gonna next candle. I'm expecting this market to continue pushing up because this is a buy market and we broke the all-time high. Obviously, I'd love to take the trade around here now, but there's no lower wick, so you cannot do anything if there's no lower wick in this trade. So I have to let this trade go. Again, I'm not trading Asian, so kind of. So now at the point now where we're looking at here now, so this is towards all-time high now. Yes, we break the level, we make this candle now, but I am not comfortable to take the trade at the level of all-time high. So I don't know how far and where the market could react. So in this case now, I'm literally sit down, waiting patiently, and gonna decide it where we're gonna potentially end up in term of yeah, where we're gonna end up now. So let the market make some space for us now. I'll let them coming back down here now. Let's see M15 what is doing now. Yeah, M15 is fine. So the M15 is messes here now at the moment, but we love to see the market come down here, find the support, and then we're gonna start looking for the potential buy as well now because the 4 hour barely has a lower week at the moment, but we're still expecting this market to keep pushing upside though. Well, it's a matter of the time we're looking for this. So at the moment, it's just a waiting game. Now we can't really do anything in this market. So we'll see how we're gonna react here. So 4 hour took the high out, 4 hour took the break the high. So now we have the breakout. So we're gonna look for the potential buy, but we're moving a lot now about 4 hour base. You can take the trading tree here, stop loss here, go all the way down here, the wick fill, and you can see the market it popped up on a base of 4 hour higher time frame confirmation. Very, very solid to play out. Even I will look to look for here now this area now where we got the rejection now. If we can look for the potential buy around this area now to go up now because it's much easier for me to buy from here. So at least I have the range to cover it. Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard for me to look for the potential trade where I'm gonna end up now. So now this is goes on now. So this is the pre-London. We got the time at the moment. What the time now? I think it's 15 minutes to London Open now, so we should be expecting market should move some nicely now. So hopefully by the London time or maybe half an hour later, we should have something popped up for us now. I want this market to come, start retracing downside. I look for the potential buy afterwards now. I'm not looking for the sell at the moment. All I'm looking like this now. I'm looking for the potential buy around here, a potential buy around here. It all depends on how we gonna find the candle line. If I find a bullish candle here, I've got the range to cover, and then potentially I'm looking for the buy around these area now. If that doesn't work out, not working out is fine. It's a part of the game. Then I'm probably gonna look for the lower points now. Maybe we're gonna find the direction on here now. Maybe we're gonna find the here this point. But we have a time limit on it now. I'm not trading after 2 hours in the open, so we can't do anything. So that's it now. We'll see how we're gonna end up this particular session. So we'll see afterwards now. So we're just a waiting game now. We don't have a trade. I'm not buying at the top of the trend around here now because it's too risky now. If we buy it, that's gonna be big trouble for us now. So I'm not touching it now. So far, if I can drag this account, yeah. So far on this account, I took 4 trades. The first one was somewhere here. Yeah, so the first one taken around here in base of M15. Let me get rid of this first. The first one taken on here. Now, it was taken on the base. Let me get the things on here so we can see easily maps now. Yeah, the first one taken around here. Now, the trade was taken on the base of purely the London volume. Yes, we have a breakout. We managed to close above here. Wick down, start taking a high out now. My target's around here now, so I could easily grab like probably 1 to 2. That's I'm aiming for anything lower than this. I am not interested in this market completely. Look for the potential trade, so I wasn't happy. So that was the plan. So that trade, why won't let me place a trade? Yeah. So that was the plan for this trade. Keep the stop loss below this candle and then try to target these high, which is gonna 2.2. Obviously, I went more than 1 to 1, took a break even, and that's it. That trade is gone. Then the second trade followed up not long after, which popped up here, and the stop loss again, same like this. And now this time I'm looking for market go exactly same area and then expect a weak fill because it's a 30-minute level goes on now. So I was looking somewhere here, but that didn't happen. Yes, we went more than 1 to 1 profit, 1.3 profit now. But market come back at break even and then boom goes on. That's part of the trading, can't do anything. Third one, yeah, that was happened yesterday because of M30. Yeah, it's happened yesterday now. So we have the support form around here. We have the minor level here, market money closes above. We don't take the eye out. Again, the trade went more, almost 1% profit, 1 to 1. Here took a profit and all it's coming down back here, the break even, and then you can see the market started tracing. The one already took a loss on the trade now is down here. Because of this trade now, things we waiting all day long was we were waiting all day long on the particular trade. So what was that on the particular trade was we have this level, which market take it out now. I got a nice and clean range when we moved up. I'm not gonna take a buy on all-time high now. This is gonna be a big trouble goes on. So I'm waiting for the market start retracing. The market start retracing on this is M30. Yeah. Market start retracing a jump on M15. When we jump on M15, yeah. Here I took the trade around here. I keep the stop loss below here. The only thing went wrong on this trade, my entry was tiny bit late because I entered late, which is probably 15 pips late, and this is it gives us some speed for the spread as well. But I still try to go home with a more than two, but that trade literally meant to be stop loss here, but obviously with the spread I give it. So 40, 42 pips stop loss. When I look at the upside now, we went 42. So that literally has to be taken as a break even trade, not the loss. But I could not manage the trade, so I took a loss on this trade. So nothing we can do. So account is only down some 1.2%. So should I mention us hopefully waiting for the sunset to be popped up. When it does, we are ready to punch it on the both ending now. So let's see how the things gonna plan out for us now. Not a big deal at the moment goes on, so we'll see. So waiting game now. We'll find out. I am not looking for the buy here now. The only opportunity for the buy I can look at the moment is if M30 managed to close bullish like this, then I'm probably gonna look for the potential buy at the London Open, and then gonna expect it goes. The only problem at this point goes on, we do not have any ranges where we're gonna go up now. So then you have to look for the take profit now. Ideally, you're gonna look for the $5 increment. So in this case, now the market is already at 46.40. You're gonna go 46.45. Somewhere here now. If risk to reward worth it, then I will be potentially looking for the trade. If it doesn't, I will let the trade go though. So not really happy. I really want this market to start retracing, come back down here, find the support somewhere here. I find the support some reject here. I find the support somewhere here. So I'll look for the potential buy at the London Open at 9 o'clock. Apart from that, really can't do anything. Stick with the plan at the moment, and that is stay consistent. 1 to 2 trade, one trade in London and one trade in NY. More than enough now. Yesterday we missed the pre-London buy, which no, sorry, pre-New York bar, which was happening here. I wasn't on the system on that time. That cost me the trade. Would have been perfect trade for us to grab it. So that trade was like this now. Market close above, take the week out, and this is the target we can anticipate here potentially. But again, with the volume of London now, we can expect this market, New York, in fact, can expect market to push up, and then you can see the market literally pushed up to the next level, which is down here. Yes, but the only concern for us now is there's a news coming around this particular time, so I have to close my trade around on the next candle somewhere here. But when I'm gonna close it, I got the news restriction for 5 minutes, so this is the 1:30 candle to 2. I have to close on here in a few minutes before news. So yeah, it would have been profitable trade, but if the news coming on, I would have ignored it. But that's what it is. That would have been a trade. We could easily grab 1 to 2 on this one. Apart from that, nothing really happened, so we can't really do anything. Stay consistent. This is the whole idea when we try to take a buy, try to fill this ring and go push up. And exactly same opportunity appears later part. Yes, the 15-minute was a rock solid buy as well. But the problem with the 15-minute, no lower we go, of course we can't do anything. So that's it, buddy. We'll wait for the London. We'll see how they come up. Love to see this market start retracing, and then I'm gonna look for the potential buy opportunity. Till then, buddy. Bye bye.